You're the only one with GPT-4 in 2010. How would you turn this advantage into a fortune? Imagine a scenario where you're the sole individual with access to GPT-4 in the year 2010. This isn't just an advanced AI, it's a revolutionary tool capable of transforming numerous sectors, from technology to healthcare. How would you use this decade-long technological advantage to shape the future and, more interestingly, turn it into a fortune? Would you focus on sustainable advancements, rapid monetization, or something entirely different? Let's dive into this thought experiment. OP has access to GPT-5 that will be released to public in some years and want us to do the hard work for him. I would waste the opportunity like I waste all the others. I'd found a company called OpenAI and charge for people and companies to use it. Lol. Maybe sell some shares to Microsoft. Why not? Guess I'm a billionaire now. Easy peasy. Here's the thing that would make it most valuable: nobody would believe it's a chatbot because it's too good. So pass off any of the services it can do as a human and people would assume it was romance novels and clickbait articles. Churn them out by the truckload. I should probably feel bad about this, but I imagine the mountain of cash would blunt the feeling of guilt. Is it trained on the same internet snapshot from 2021? 'Cause if so, I'm going full Biff Tannen. I'd use it to help me code. Seems pedestrian in 2023, but in 2010? I would leak it on Reddit in hope to get my first award. I would use the fact that it has data until 2021 to make some smart investments. It will know future events. That would be a good start. Look into text-dependent niches and sell a shit ton. Blog spam. Lots of blog spam. Make websites pump out articles and get Google ads. I would get thousands of jobs in the customer service area. Do a few very short, small-scale and exclusive demos to big Silicon Valley venture capitalists. I'd make huge promises I could never live up to except as I slowly reveal more use cases pretending they are enhanced functionality. I'd found a startup with the cash. More of a Potemkin village. Keep playing the tech bro vaporware game people have been playing since Gates and Ballmer were promising Windows 1. In the meantime, I'd put the bulk of the cash into crypto and wait for Bitcoin to hit it big. Assuming it's not heavily censored, I'll be a NYT bestseller. I would buy a whole lot of Bitcoin. Lol. Bots. Bots everywhere. Trained on future data up to 2021? I'll be finding out just how much it hallucinates winning lottery ticket numbers. I would use it to try to start a career as a writer. Using it to help me edit my ideas and deal with writer's block. I'd open a YouTube channel and have GPT-4 help me grow it to never-before-seen sizes by making the perfect titles, topics and other tips. Not revealing my secret to anyone. Maybe even monetize that agility somehow by helping people write things for them. Literally become BuzzFeed, but with one writer. I would train transformers from scratch and publish the attention as all you need paper all by myself. Then I'd probably hate myself because I would have effectively ended many lives, including my family and pets, by leaping through time and modifying the timeline. But hey, fame and riches. If it would be trained on 2021 data, holy cow. Summarize steps to buy as much Bitcoin as possible. Is it updated to September 2021? Churn out papers for students for a fee. I'd just build a bunch of blog mills. The quality of content would far surpass anything in existence in 2010. And with how fast I could churn stuff out, I could have dozens if not hundreds of websites in every possible domain. It wouldn't take long to make millions. Then I'd buy Bitcoin and be worth 100 B today. Freelance writer platform. I'll just mine Bitcoin. Example of fields being revolutionized by GPT-4. I'm almost certain some LLM was used on a large scale on Reddit starting circa 2015 to influence the 2016 election. I'm a pretty active Reddit user and have a fairly good idea of the zeitgeist the whole site felt. Very different around this time, especially with the massive amount of content on R. the Donald. It seems quite easy to build a fortune. Build an API and charge for access to GPT-4. I'll ask it everything leading up to 2023, everything about crypto and all lottery numbers that played from 2010 to the end of the training data. If I had access to GPT-4 technology in 2010, I could leverage its capabilities to offer advanced language-based solutions for various industries. This might include providing improved customer support, developing innovative content generation tools, offering personalized marketing strategies, and even assisting in data analysis and decision-making processes for businesses. By demonstrating the unique value and efficiency of GPT-4, I could attract clients and partners, turning this advantage into a lucrative business opportunity. Use it to make money and then invest that money in making the first major Bitcoin mining company. How would GPT-4 run if you're thrown in 2010, mate? If servers don't exist, neither does GPT-4. The computing power for GPT-4 didn't exist in 2010. I would use it to tell me how is the best way to use it in 2010. GPT-4 loaded with data from 2022 maybe? I would ask for sport and other events results and bet on them. Sounds fun. Is it still trained to 2021? Haha. It knows market trends up to 2019, with better accuracy than I do. Plot twist: creators of ChatGPT already did this in 2010. It's just now available to the public because they got their fortunes from the proof of concept. I would use this advancement to discover ways that ChatGPT might can help the human brain catch up. Or even better, keep pace. Or even possibly surpass it while the rest of world is still competing with each other on the best ways to get women to have sex with them or destroy each other. Or how women can trap fuckboys and simps to provide for her for years to come while destroying whoever does not serve her agenda. LMAO. Depends, as it trained with information from 2021. Give me a list of stocks to invest to in 2010. Obviously, I'd ask him to mine some Bitcoin for me. Sell the hardware it runs on for several millions. Use the money to patent everything possible and hire a legal team. Approach Google with an exclusive usage license. Their engineers would review it and realize the value. Best guess is you'd come out with 60,100 million if you played your cards right. Sell access to it to the gov. Sell it. Once some sectors are revolutionized by this, maybe we can do this. Start a content writing service that charges $1 per article. Scale and pump out tens of thousands of articles per day. Do a showcase and then sell it off to some big tech. 1. Start mining Bitcoin even if on USB device. 2. Use AI to survive till the first sell of BTC in 2017. 2021. 3. Profit. GPT-4 would tell me to buy Bitcoin and also suggest what I should invest in. This is my way to fortune. Remember, it has knowledge up to 2021.